kids, today let's learn to draw a beautiful rose. Let's start by drawing a little oval shape. And now you need to draw a spiral shape. I'll show you how it is. See? Curve it all the way and then just join it like that. Okay, now join these 2 points, and now you need to draw a big U shape, starting from here all the way, going upwards. Okay, now you need to draw some petals for the rose. That doesn't matter if your petals are a bit different from mine, just give it a try. Can be of a little bit different shape, that doesn't matter. Okay, now we'll draw the stem of the rose. Okay, now we'll draw some leaves. Okay, there you go. Now the rose is ready. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.